So, as you can see, it's been nothing but greasy out here lately. Canadian winter, what can I say? So, today, being as that it's so snowy and awful outside and everything, yeah, chill out, man. I'm trying to talk to you now. Thought I'd take it upon myself to go and get some driveway sand salt mix. Hopefully now we can actually get some work done outdoors without breaking my neck. It'll be fun. And for those of you who do not know, this is Walter. Hey, buddy. And this here is his daddy, Jeff. They're 1 year apart with the same birthday. They're 2 and 3 years old. And Walter's clearly the puppy. Jeff, give me back my tooth. Thanks, dude. So we're back home with the salt now. So we're gonna do a little time-lapse video and get this recorded there of the entire driveway being spread. So I don't have to fall and break my neck while we try and get work done. Enjoy. So, good morning. The other day when I went to salt my driveway there, ran out of phone juice anyway. I had to charge my phone. Sorry, it's Sunday and it's flipping cold outside. It's, I think we're looking at it's negative 24 degrees outside. It's freaking big of the salt, but I definitely overdid it. And I ain't complaining, honestly. I mean, but yeah, this is some seriously potent stuff right here. Friggin', we drop this and it's already melting it's in some spots it's melting it right down to the crushed rock driveway, which is pretty mint because I took a fall on some ice there the other day while carrying some diesel cans in. Let me tell you, I nearly shit myself. Thought I was hurt real bad. But anyway, we got some snow to haul today, so 2 seconds later, there we go. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Listen to that girl roar. Landscape renegade, baby. Oh yeah. Definitely one of the coldest days yet. We're up here on the rooftop. We got a Bobcat loader there sorting us out. It's a neat little piece of gear, honestly. It looks like a gator with a front end loader on it. I guess it's high flow. Look at all that snow. So here at Breding, we have 2 different dump trailers. Both are 14 foot. There's our single piston, front, and then there's our dual hydraulic piston dump trailer. The thing with the dual piston is you're doubling the amount of electricity you need to take off the battery, right? So every time you raise this, you're using double the amount. Good thing we invested in some deep cycle batteries. Oh yeah. And for all you Texans out there that have never seen a Canadian winter, this is all snow. So, just as we're leaving, the Bobcat pulled out. So, we're gonna follow this guy to the job site. Almost done for the day. We made it. Spud? Thought you were going at the back door. Yeah. Neat little project today anyway. I don't often get to go on the drive-in parking. Not because I'm banned or anything, but just because I don't really have any reason to park up here. Yeah, there's the Duramax. Got that back in October. So far, it's the truck I wanted it for. It complements the 04 Cummins quite nicely. So we got the 04 Cummins here. Jesse's hooked up to the big dump trailer. The front cylinder. Got me here. Dual cylinders. And the Duramax. I like to call it the Danger Max. Because I'm just that cool, baby. Oh yeah. As you can see, the cylinder's in the front with that one. Which makes a whole lot of sense, because when you think about picking something up, would it be easier to pick it up from one end or to pick it up from the center? The choice is yours. And another snow pile done. If you like this video and want to see more content like it, hit that like and subscribe button today. Thank you. Contact Brett Inc.